Well, this strategy, this high order thinking strategy, when you use it in, for instance, a regular ed classroom, you're going to see some students that maybe haven't shown any higher order thinking before. This is a very structured way to think, and so what you're doing is they may not be able to pull all this information together and make a great, grand thesis about, you know, what is right or wrong. But if they can break it down into the component parts here, all of a sudden you may get some really good nuggets out of those students. And those good thinking pieces are really how we start to build on finding the kids that don't fit the typical honors or GT student. You know, this student maybe a C student, but all of a sudden if you give them a structured way to think and you give them you know, some time to process it, all of a sudden they're coming up with ideas that are just as good and just as valid and just as deep as, you know, a typical GT student. They just needed the little bit of structure to put it all into place.